don't arrest me for checking out their website. Yeah, so I could do this, and then I just want to pick their website as a case study. Okay. Yep. And then I'm going to come back to Scrapeye. I'm going to say UBA Uganda. An example, and I save. So when I do that, it's going to start loading information about UBA Bank, and would like to see um, what information you can use to improve on the bank. So it will analyze that. So that's the first tool I'm going to share with you. The second one is called Labrika, which is my favorite. Labrika is why I like Labrika over Scraper is because one, it gives you a full report. So while Scraper will not give you everything, um, Labrika sort of does an exhaustive and robust job at providing you with everything that you need to present to your boss or to your clients or whatever it is you guys are doing. Um, let's do that. Let's see. Have I missed anything? Search engines. Let me just add Google. Country Uganda. Yeah. So just going to do that. Add city Kampala. Okay. So that has been saved. As you can come back here and see, this is still analyzing. We can come and check this out. So we could do site analysis, and then you would ask you, do you want to do either full analysis or things like that? So usually I go for full, and I say start. Let's just say start. So this sort of provides you the full report, and you don't need to do anything. It will just show you where the gaps are. It will actually give you links to those gaps and things like that. Let's look at this. It's also analyzing, and these are for me. Here's something someone told me that